Okay, so how do we enter this information into our calculator in order to generate a regression? So the first thing we're going to do is we need to we need to get our regression coefficient. So before we do that though, we're going to clear our calculators of past numbers. So there are a few ways that we can do that. I'm going to show you guys one way. So we hit the word stat, and then we're going to hit number 4 for clear list. And now we need to tell the calculator which list. So the last time we filled lists 1 and 2. So we're going to hit second L1, comma, second 2 for L2. And we hit enter and done. So now our lists are clear. So in order to begin, we need to also determine how strongly correlated our regression equation is to the actual data. Is it a strong correlation or not? So to do that, we need to figure out what the correlation coefficient is. And so this can be accessed a number of ways. So the first way that you can access it, depending on the calculator, you may see these options, or you may have to go about it in the second way, which I'm about to show after this one. So first we're going to go to mode. So I'm going to clear this right here to reset, and we're going to go to mode. And we're going to scroll down to where we see stat diagnostics. And we're going to hit on or stat diagnostics. We're going to make sure it's highlighted, and then we hit enter. And at that point, we can hit clear, and it brings us back to our main page. But now our stats diagnostic is on, and you can verify that by going back to the menu and seeing that it's highlighted as on. Okay, so I'm going to clear this way because let's say that you don't have that as an option. Well, here's another way. Here's another way that you can do that. So we're going to go to our catalog. And if you'll notice, the catalog is located just above the 0. So we're going to hit second 0. And we're going to look for the word diagnostics on. So now notice that there's a little A in the corner. That means that it's alpha. So just like a dictionary, it's ordered in alphabetical order. We're going to do the same. So we need to look for the word diagnostics. So we're going to go to D. Now when you look at your calculator, you'll see x to the -1, and you'll see a green D over that. So we don't have to hit alpha, it's already pre-selected. So we're just going to hit that button. And now we are at everything that begins with the letter D. So now when we scroll, we see the term diagnostics on, or diagnostic on. You hit enter, you hit enter one more time, and now your diagnostic is on. So those are the two ways that one can turn it on.